Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today our question is x over 5 times x over 5 is equal to 5 over x times 5 over x. So here we need to find the value of x. Let's start our solution. Here we see that this x times x is actually x squared, and 5 times 5 is 5 squared, which is equal to, similarly, 5 times 5 is 5 squared over x squared. Now here we have x squared over 5 squared. So if we just cross multiply, then we get x squared times x squared, which is equal to 5 squared times 5 squared. So here we have x to the power 2 plus 2 and 5 to the power 2 plus 2. Then we just write x to the power 4 is equal to 5 to the power 4. Now we can also write this x to the power 4, just x to the power 4 minus shifting this one, we get 5 to the power 4 is equal to 0. This x to the power 4 is written as x squared whole squared minus 5 squared whole squared is equal to 0. Now we can use algebraic identity. If we have a squared minus b squared, then it is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So here we have x squared plus 5 squared times x squared minus 5 squared, which is equal to 0. Now we have two possible cases, that x squared plus 5 squared is equal to 0 and x squared minus 5 squared is equal to 0. Now from this one we are going to use again this law. So we get x plus 5 times x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now here we have x plus 5 is equal to 0 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to 5, and here value of x is equal to, this plus 5 will be minus 5 and minus 5 will be plus 5. So here we have two values of x. Now solving this one, as we know that x squared plus 5 squared, it can be written as we know that iota squared is equal to minus 1. So we just write this x squared here minus 5 iota whole squared is equal to 0. Now here iota squared will be minus 1, so minus 1 times minus, that will be x squared plus 5 squared. So now using this law here, then we have x plus 5i times x minus 5i, which is equal to 0. So x plus 5i is equal to 0 and x minus 5i is equal to 0. Here we get again two values of x, which is x is equal to minus 5i. Let's say it is x1. So x is equal to plus 5i. Let's say it is x2, and it is x3 and x4. So we have four possible values of x. These two values are actually complex solution. These are complex values, complex numbers, and here we have two real values. Now we have to verify our answer here. So for the verification, let's recall. So our problem is x over 5 times x over 5 is equal to 5 over x times 5 over x. So we have to recall this. Now for the verification, we are going to put all these four values of x. So first of all, using this x1 is equal to minus 5i, then this problem will be minus 5i over 5 times minus 5i over 5, is it equal to 5 over minus 5i times 5 over minus 5i. Here we have cancelling 5 with 5, then we get here minus I times here we get minus I, is it equal to 1 over minus I times 1 over minus I. So minus times minus is plus, I times I is I squared, which is equal to, that is minus times minus is plus 1 over I squared. here we have I squared is minus 1, that is 1 over I squared is also equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So it is our valid solution. Now verifying this one. Now 5i over 5 times 5i over 5, is it equal to 5 over 5i times 5 over 5i. Now cancelling 5 with 5. Then we have I times I, is it equal to 1 over I times 1 over I. So I times I is I squared, is it equal to 1 over I squared. So I squared is minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now we are going to just check our value of x3 here. So for value of x3, that is x3 is minus 5. Now minus 5 over 5 times minus 5 over 5, is it equal to 5 over minus 5 times 5 over minus 5. Now cancelling 5 with 5, we get minus 1 times minus 1, is it equal to 1 over minus 1 times 1 over minus 1. So we have minus times minus is plus, we get 1. Minus times minus is plus, we get 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now using that, x to the x4 is equal to 5. So here we have x over 5 times x over 5 is equal to 5 over x times 5 over x. So when x is equal to 5, then we have 5 over 5 times 5 over 5, is it equal to 5 over 5 times 5 over 5. So here we have 5 cancelled, then we get 1 is equal to 1. So our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence our final answer is the value of x will be that x is equal to minus 5i, that is plus 5i, minus 5 and plus 5. So here it is our final answer. So we have 4 values of x. Now we are going to just check our entire solution here step by step. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.